Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to change the lamp or the bulb in a Sony SXRD projector. So when it's time, it will actually on the bottom right of the screen, it will have a little alert that says change the lamp soon or something like that in red. And so really the hardest thing is you just got to get the lamp. If you don't have a replacement lamp, I'll go ahead and put a link down below in terms of where to get this lamp. So once we've done that, we're going to come to our projector. Now this one, you might have this upside down or right side up. We have it hanging from the ceiling. So where we're going to come is to get to this lamp is right here. It's inside this case here. I've already loosened this because I was working on it, but there's just one screw here that you'll just need a Phillips head screwdriver to undo. And your lamp will be right in here. That's the only screw that you need to take out. So from there, we can get it, and you can see the old lamp is in there. So now we just need to get that old lamp out of there. So you'll see on the new bulb that we have these screws here and they're just hanging out. So what happens is those will actually get screwed in to secure the bulb in place. So what we need to do is first we need to loosen up those screws on the old bulb. This is just a Phillips head, so I'm just gonna loosen these up, and once I get these loosened up, the bulb should just then slide right out. So loosen this one up, and so there's these two, but there's also this one more which is right back there, if you can see it, which is on the back of the bulb. It's this one on the back of the bulb, so we're gonna get that one out too. So I've got all three of my screws loosened. If you can see this one in here, all loosened up. So now all I need to do is basically take this, and this should slide right out like this. Boom. So that's our old bulb, which we'll dispose of properly. We're just gonna take our new bulb, like so. Be careful we don't touch the lamp at all. I'm gonna come up here and slide it into place. And then we're going to take our screwdriver and we're going to secure, and I don't know if you can see under there, but the screw is kind of hanging out. So we're just going to have to get everything straightened out here and tighten everything down. So now I've got my bulb screwed in snug, but not overly tight on all three screws. Only thing I need to do now is place this case. Actually, there's one more thing we need to do. We need to tell the projector that we've replaced the lamp. So we're going to go ahead and click menu to open up this menu here. Then we're going to go down to, we're going to use this arrow to go down one, down two, go over, then use the arrow to go over, then down, 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 lamp settings, select lamp settings, and come over here. Settings has the projector lamp go over, toggle over to yes, confirm. Now we've completed the process of replacing the lamp.